Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to add an admin to your Instagram group using a PC, especially with the new update. This feature is perfect for managing your group more effectively. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open Instagram on your PC. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Messages icon on the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are located. Now, click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your conversations. Here, find the group chat where you want to add an admin. Click on that group to open it. Once you're in the group chat, look for the info icon, which is usually represented by an eye in a circle at the top right corner of the chat window. Clicking this will open up the group information page, where you can see all members of the group. Next, find the member you wish to promote to admin. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a menu of options. In this menu, click on Make Admin. This action will grant them administrative privileges within the group. They will now be able to manage group settings and help moderate conversations. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Instagram group on PC with just a few simple steps. Remember that having multiple admins can help streamline your group's management and ensure that everything runs smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!